Want a functional and stylish folding table for your home or office? Let's build one in just a few easy steps. First, measure and cut the wooden planks to your desired table size. Next, sand the edges to remove any roughness. Now, attach the hinges to make the table foldable. This will allow you to store it easily. Secure the legs to the tabletop with screws. Finish the look with some paint or stain. And just like that, you've made a functional folding table. Want more DIY projects? Don't forget to like, follow, and check the description for the full list of tools and materials I used.